again. Today we are going to color block. And if you are wondering what is color block, then let me tell you it is one of the most trending techniques in interior design wherein two or more colors are used to create an interesting pattern on the wall. And for this you can choose any kind of pattern. Like the color block design can have curves or it can have simple clean lines. It completely depends on your taste. So now let us start color blocking this wall today.
Why you should color block? Color blocking is done to create a feature or an accent wall. It can also be done to highlight a particular portion of a wall like wall arts or shelves. Tips for deciding design and colors. Before you start painting, I suggest you draw a few patterns on paper and finalize the design. This always helps. I'm going freehand here. You can use a ruler if you want. I have drawn a wall template. Now let us start making the patterns. For the first one, I will divide the wall diagonally in two parts. So for this one, let us divide the wall in three parts. Just take the midpoint and join the other two corners. Let us play with curves in this one. Out of these three, I like this one the most. Now let us zero in on the colors. I'm going with paints which I already have, and to be sure of the color combination, I painted two combinations on paper. Top two colors are same in both, but I was not able to choose between green and blue. So now I get a clear picture, and this one looks more vibrant to me. So let's go with this. It's time to tape the wall. Before taping, make sure you clean the wall of any dirt. I have put tape according to design. Masking tape will help us get clean lines between two colors. If you are not sure of colors, you can buy paint swatches. They come with adhesive, so you can simply stick them on the wall and see which one looks good. Also, go for dark colors only if your room gets enough daylight.
Hey, so the paint has dried now. It's time to remove the masking tape. And after that we are going to style this space. So let's get going.
It looks amazing, isn't it? If you want, you can fill in the gap between two colors, but I like it this way. Let us style this space now. I am placing a jute rug first. In goes this beautiful cane chair, and the cushion covers you see here are from Myntra. The link is available in the description box below. Adding a footstool and this beautiful wall art from Hometown. If you notice, I have introduced white and beige in just the right amount to balance the colors on the wall. And it's the turn of my showstopper now. Yes, this beautiful snake plant in this cane planter. And time for some candle holders which I am hanging from curtain rod. Let us try a different setup with a low-lying seating. I have kept a round rug with a few throws, a jute mat to keep a few books and a mug of coffee, and last but not the least, greens.
So are you going to color block? Yes, right? And when you do, I'm sure this video is going to help you. That was all for today. See you next time with another inspiring video. But how will you get to know that I have uploaded a new video? For that, you need to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates. Also, do not forget to share this video with your friends, like it and comment below. Bye bye for now. Take care and keep styling.